Today I'll start with present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. Structure of the present continuous tense: subject plus auxiliary be conjugated in present simple, am, are, and is. Auxiliary verb is used with the main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood, or voice. The main auxiliary verbs are to be, to have, and to do. They appear in the following forms like to be, am, is, are, was, were, being, been, and will be. So the form is subject plus auxiliary be plus present participle of the main verb. So how we make the present continuous tense? Like by adding ing to the base verb. It's simple. We just add ing. Sometimes we have to change the word a little. Perhaps we have to double the last letter or we drop a letter. There are some basic rules which I will discuss later. The auxiliary verb be is conjugated in the present simple am, are, and is. The main verb is invariable in present participle form, that is ing. For negative sentences, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. Now we'll see some examples. Look at these examples. Present continuous tense forms of the verb with various subjects and which includes question sentences and negative sentences. I am speaking to you. You are reading this. She is not staying at home. We are not playing badminton. Is he watching TV? Are they watching? Are they waiting for Hari? Next, we'll see how do we use the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about action happening now and action in the future. We use present continuous for action happening now. That is for action happening exactly now. For action happening exactly now, we'll see some examples. I'm eating my dinner. I'm drinking coffee right now. It's raining outside. For action happening around now, the action may not be happening exactly now, but it's happening just before and just after now, and it is not permanent or habitual. Look at these examples. John is learning to drive. I'm living with my brother until I find an apartment. Present continuous for the future. We can also use present continuous tense to talk about the future. If we add a future word, we must add a future word or understand from the context. Future words include, for example, tomorrow, next year, in July, at Christmas, etc. We only use the present continuous tense to talk about the future when we have planned to do something before we speak. We have already made a decision and a plan before speaking. Examples: we are eating at Ben's Cafe tonight. We have already booked the table. They can play badminton with you tomorrow. They are not working. When are you starting your new job? I'm taking my exam next month. So in these examples, a firm plan or program exists before speaking. The decision and plan were made before speaking. How do we spell the present continuous tense? Just by adding ing to the base verb. For examples, work, working, play, playing, learn, learning. If the base verb ends in consonant plus stress vowel plus consonant, double the last letter. Examples: stop, T consonant, or stress vowel, P consonant. So it will be stopping. Begin, beginning. Run, running. The base verb ends in I, change the IE to Y. Examples: die, dying, lie, lying. If the base verb ends in Y plus consonant plus E, omit the E. Come, coming, give, giving. Please like and subscribe to Travel Trails in YouTube for more updated videos.